Employers subject to the National Labor Relations Act have a duty to bargain collectively, which includes providing relevant information that a labor union needs to perform its duties. In Detroit Edison Company versus National Labor Relations Board, the Supreme Court considered whether that duty to provide information is unconditional. Detroit Edison Company was a public utility provider. A utility workers' union represented several of the company's employees, including employees at the company's plant in Monroe, Michigan. Under the collective bargaining agreement, promotions were to be based on seniority, provided the employees met the minimum reasonable qualifications, which the company measured using aptitude tests. The company promised to keep employees' test scores confidential. In 1971, the company invited 10 employees to apply for 6 open positions, but none of them received acceptable scores on the aptitude test. Therefore, the company gave the positions to outside applicants. The union filed a grievance on the employees' behalf, claiming the testing program was unfair and violated the collective bargaining agreement. At arbitration, the union demanded that the company turn over materials related to the testing program. The company provided some materials, but refused to provide the test questions and answer sheets, asserting that it had a strong interest in keeping the tests secret to maintain their validity and reliability. The company also refused to provide test scores without first obtaining each applicant's consent. The arbitrator ultimately decided that the aptitude tests were fair, and that the company's failure to provide the materials didn't impair the arbitration process. The union filed a charge with the National Labor Relations Board, asserting that the company's refusal to provide the materials constituted an unfair labor practice. The board agreed and ordered the company to provide the materials directly to the union, reasoning that the union's interest in analyzing the fairness of the company's promotion process outweighed the company's interests in keeping its tests secret and protecting its employees' confidentiality. The board's order included specific confidentiality measures to prevent the union from leaking copies of the tests. The Sixth Circuit affirmed, and the United States Supreme Court granted cert.